Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can search about the application of TikTok and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.